We are facing pandemic situation. COVID-19 is giving us too much trouble, and teaching learning activities they are going on through online classes or alternative methods instead of physical ways. And government has decided to conduct the exam in alternative way so that students can get promoted to next classes. So there are many ways. Among them, one is the examination through online. So for that, what can be done? Questions can be made in Google Forms, and those questions can be sent to the students in their personal account through Microsoft Teams, and simply students they will tick it and submit. So in this video I am going to guide you how to make questions in Google Forms. At first, let's click my Google Chrome. Okay, I have clicked it, and we get such type of window. Here in this search we can type Office 365. Already it's given there, Office 365. Okay, just search this one. Okay, so it comes here, Office 365 login, Microsoft Office. So at first you click this one. Okay, double click it. Okay, so you will get here such type of screen. Hello Ishwar. So I'm just going to check this one. Sign in as Ishwar Neupani @anupam.edu.np is given. So you must have such type of address. So it is of Microsoft email. You should not use your own personal email. This Microsoft email. This is my organization, anupam.edu.np. Now I'm going to sign in. Okay, in sign in, you just click here. So yeah, after signing in, it comes password. Sometimes if it doesn't come your name there, you can type your email. This is the email, and sign will come. Now I'm going to type my password. So my password is not visible to you, so I'm going to sign in. Okay, so first type there your email and then password. You will reach in this screen. They are given different things. So Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, and here is Sway. And first of all, you go here. Here is one square box. 9 dots are there. Click it. So you will get these things: Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, Sway, and Forms. We need forms. Okay, I'm going to click these forms. Forms is clicked. Good. After clicking it, it comes here one screen. So what I did, I just removed those old quizzes that I have made. Now new quiz is given. Simply what to do, click new quiz. Okay, here is given on title quiz. So we are going to take the examination of particular class, particular subject. So in untitled quiz, it's better to write class and subject. Suppose let me make my own class question. class 9 science. I can write here CIENCE. If class 9 science is written, so heading will come class 9 science, and you can ask or you can attach this question easily. Now it's given here enter or description. In description, what can be done? Like I'm going to write Anupam Vidya Sadan Lazimpat Kathmandu. Heading I am writing, okay. Anupam Vidya Sadan Lazimpat Kathmandu. Then final examination. Final examination 2078. Now you can write here class. That was the heading written to attach the file easily. So class is 9, class 9. So here you cannot use enter. If you press enter, it goes down, but shift cannot be done. Slowly you have to use this long arrow key. Then class 9, full mark is 50. We are going to make 50 questions. Then subject is science. Pass mark is 20, okay, 40%. Then time is 1 hour. I think these are all multiple choice questions, and you can write here attempt all the questions. Okay, so this thing is written here. This is heading. So heading is here. That means file name will be class 9 science, and I have written Anupam Vidya Sadan Lazimpat Kathmandu final examination 2078, class 9, subject science, time 1 hour. 1 hour only you can write. No need to write 1 hour. Attempt all the questions. So this is our heading. Now here is add new. Let's click it. In add new, choice, text, rating, date is given. We don't need any more things. We need simply choice. Okay. In choice, you can see here question number 1. Okay, question number 1. Let me type here question number 1. Like the SI unit of temperature. The SI unit of temperature is, I have just done like that. Okay. Now here in option 1, second. Option 2, Kelvin. Okay. Now here are 2 options only. We can add here options. Okay. Add options. Next one is Celsius. Option 4 is centigrade. Okay, so what did I do? I typed question number 1, the SI unit of temperature is, second, Kelvin, Celsius, centigrade. Okay, so 4 things I have done. You can see. Now, which one is correct answer? We have to tick ourselves. So, correct answer is Kelvin. Okay, which one is correct? You can go this side and click correct answer. And this is the question in which we will get the, or we should not check it. The software gives marks automatically. For that we have to set the marks. Where? We have to set marks here. Point. It is of 1 mark. Right one. It's completed, isn't it? After completing, you can go to here. 1 point is already there. Now again, what do? You can go down, little bit down. Now add new means question number 1 you made. Now you have to make question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, like that. For that, again go to choice, and second question let me make Newton's second law dash force. Okay, Newton's second law dash force I have given. So here I can write defines, next one tells. So here are only two options. Now we can add next also, measures. Fourth one, I think this measures also we can make a small one, measures, reminds. Okay, 4 options I have given. Question number 1, it was question number 2, go here, point is already there, so no need to do anything, automatically it comes. Simply type the question and then now choose it. So you must not forget to choose the correct answer. Newton's second law dash force, or second law of motionless, right? Of, you can correct like this also. Its correct answer is measures. Correct answer. See whether your question gets correct answer or not. Like 2 points means you made 2 questions, 2 points. 4 questions, 4 points. Okay, and it is already saved, no need to worry. Just type it, save it. You can modify anytime. And sometimes actually for below classes, nursery, LKG, UKG, you have to give 2 marks for each question. At that time simply what to do, write here 2, make the question, write 2 marks, and next question you type here 2 marks, or at the beginning only. If you do, then it's okay. Now let's see whether it is 4 points or not. That comes 4 points like that. Okay, so if you keep on doing like this, like question number 1 is made, question number 2 is made, and you can check yourself whether you have selected correct answer or not. It shows here tick point. So you have to be confirm and save the questions. So question number 2, again add new, choice. Now question number 3, it comes automatically. There are types of lever. So here you can write 1, here 2, 4, add option 3. Okay, automatically point comes. So here I have done 2 marks. It is for class 9, means only 1 mark I have to make, 1 point. So you can modify anytime, right? So here also 1 point, 1 point. Again you can go down in question number 3. Question number 3 is here, so 1 point. This point correction also can be done. And there are types of lever. If I do not select, then what do I get? Let's see here, 3 points, but answer must be ticked here. I have given the point only, but we must not forget, otherwise students, they will not be able to do it. So there are dash types of lever, means 3 types of lever. See, so these are the things. So very simple, how to make questions from Google form. I hope you can do and make the questions ready. And in next video I will be guiding you how to send the questions to students through Microsoft Teams. Thank you. Have a good day.